Hi everybody, welcome back. This is going to be your video for volume and total surface area. It's DIY 3, and we're just going to go through and I'm going to set you up and give you some directions. Now what's nice about this page is it gives you pretty step-by-step directions of each page, and what is also nice is that we do not do cylinders in 7th grade any longer, so you can actually cross out the entire front page. We do not have to do it. Yay. Which means that you can flip over and we can start working with volume and total surface area of this shape. So it says we're going to find the total surface area and the volume for this figure. Well, what kind of figure is this? This is going to be a rectangular prism. What's the formula? We do not worry about formulas in 7th grade. So what is our formula? We're going to find the area of each rectangle and add them together. That's what we're going to do every time. So what is our volume formula? Well, our volume formula never changes. If you remember from the notes page, our volume equals big B times H. So what you're going to do is you are going to follow these directions. It says outline the perimeter of the base in blue. So you're going to get a blue matte pencil, and they have shaded our base for us. So you're going to outline the perimeter of your base in blue. Then you're going to shade the area of the base in green. So you're shading in green. Make it nice and neat. Please do not scribble scrabble. Okay. Then it says shade the volume of the figure in red. Well, volume is when we're looking for everything on the inside. So everything all the way around here would be shaded in red. Alright. All the way around. So it says, do not forget to use the correct labels when answering the questions below. So it says, find the perimeter of the base. So remember, perimeter is all the way around the outside. That's what's in blue. I'm going to make a little note. That's the area in blue. Find the area of the base. That's the green part. Now for surface area, you're going to have to find the individual area of each of these rectangles and add them together. So ignore using the formula above. And then you're going to find the volume. Remember, volume is big B times H. So you take the area of your base and you multiply it by the height of your shape. In this case, I'll give you a hint. Your height is going to be 13. Because remember, your height is the distance between your two bases. Okay. On this next one, you're doing the exact same thing. You're going to be shading in blue, green, and red. Do not worry about the formula for total surface area, because we're not using formula. We're doing the same thing. Find the area of each shape and add them together. Add them together. Alright, so volume. Now this time we are doing a pyramid. So volumes do have a little different formula when it comes to pyramid. It's 1/3 of the big B times H. Another way that you could write this is big B times H divided by 3. Because when we're finding 1/3 of something, aren't we just splitting it into thirds, splitting it 3 equal pieces? So do the same thing as you did before with your red, blue, and green. So they tell you exactly what to do. The only thing that you will need to change is instead of using the formula, you're going to find the area of each shape and add them together. You do not need this number right here, the one that says slant height. because we're not using a formula, this is not necessary, okay? We only need this height here for volume. Oh, I'm a liar. I shouldn't have told you to scratch that out. You actually do need the slant height because this is the height of your individual triangles. Sorry about that. I didn't think about that before I did it. So you're going to go, I'll help you on this one since I messed it up for you. So your triangles are going to be area equals 1/2 base times height. So your triangles have a base of 10 and a height of 12.1. So half of 10 is 5. So then 5 times 12.1, let's see here. 12.1 times 5. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 1 is 5 plus 1 is 6. We have one decimal place in our problem, so I put one decimal place in my answer. So each individual triangle is going to be 60.5 square centimeters. But remember, we have 4 triangles because we have a square pyramid here. So you actually have to multiply this number, and that will give you your surface area of just your faces. Then find the area of your base and add it together. So hook you up a little bit on that one since I'm the one who screwed it up. I shouldn't have told you to scratch that out. Hopefully you didn't scratch it out too bad, and you were able to see it. If not, this is 12.1 centimeters, and this is the only place that you're going to use that number. So I've already helped you out with that part. Alright, to the back. It says hop on into the party. So you're going to actually get to cross one out on here too. This one we're finding a box. You're finding surface area and volume, so make sure you get those done. Again, let's see here. We have a box, so we're doing a rectangular prism. We're looking for surface area and volume. You may need a separate sheet of paper to work these out. Let's see here. We have a canister that is a cylinder, so we're not going to do it because we're not dealing with cylinders. Canister circumference, yep. So we can cross this one out. We have another box, so we have a rectangular prism, and we're looking for surface area and volume, looking for both. Alright, so it says we're not going to worry about this one. You have to cross another one out. Plus, we are not going to worry about this one. So, you only have to do this first one, second one, third one, no, fourth one, and sixth one. So, number 1, number 2, number 4, and number 6 are the only ones that you have to do on the back of this page. So this is going to give me a good idea of who's watching the videos or not, because I guarantee you the people who are not watching the videos are going to ask me questions about these. So make sure if you have somebody in your group who is not watching the videos and not following directions, that you bring that up to them and let them know that they need to do what they're supposed to do, so that we're not having to repeat the same directions over and over and over again. So good luck, and please let me know if you have any questions, and I'll be more than happy to help you out. Remember that you can always request a workshop if you need help on something. Good luck!